Hi, it's Dennis with KingMakerForex.com and orangequant.com, and I'm here today with a really short video, maybe 2 or 3 minutes to explain to you how night vision works, because we're going to be using that in some future trades, and I don't want to waste time in those videos explaining what we're looking at. Now, as you can see on the website, the authentication trials for KingMaker Forex are proceeding. We're up to trade number 8. We're like, what, 17% ahead at this point from a start of a $1,000 account. It'd go faster, except that I also have to trade my own personal account with KingMaker. But we're going to try and speed up the pace next week. Today is the 5th of September 2014, and we're going to be using night vision in upcoming trades. Maybe not the very next trade. You'll see why, because you don't get opportunities with night vision all the time, but when they come, they're really good. So once we get done with about 20 or 25 trades on the authentication trials, then I'll make KingMaker Forex finally and at last available for purchase. But this gives you kind of a chance to see what's in KingMaker and how well it works, and that's the whole point of the authentication trials. Now, here's a picture of night vision. And I chose today to show you night vision because today is, of course, the first Friday of the month, non-farm payrolls day, NFP day. And that's typically a very tricky time. It comes at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time, and most traders like to avoid it, but I'm going to show you how night vision would have helped you out. Now we're looking here at the hourly chart of the pound-dollar pair, and I want to point out right away, first off, that the plot, main thing we're looking at is the heavy dark green line here. And there are two night visions. There's night vision 1 and night vision 2. One is used to confirm the other. And mainly what I want to point out about it is, as you look at charts in the future when I make these trades, this green, heavy green line going above, going up like that, it means one thing on one kind of chart, and it means the opposite on another kind of chart. I know that's a little confusing, but it gets real easy to do. You just glance at the chart when you load night vision on your Thinkorswim platform. And it only makes sense because pairs are typically opposed. Certain pairs are opposed to certain other ones. And night vision is just a kind of a unicycle type of thing. Anyhow, you get used to it. Okay, quickly, because we're now coming up on just over 3 minutes. And I said it would be about 3 minutes. It's going to be a little bit longer. What we're looking at here on this pound-dollar pair, right here, this candle right here, this was the NFP announcement, and you can see what happened. And that candle from high to low is just over 50 pips. And the way you trade night vision is when this heavy green line gets free of the other plots. That's what you're looking for. When it's in the thicket, you know, and it's trapped in here like this, those aren't necessarily good times to trade. You can read that, but it takes effort. And for me, I just as soon use something like Emerald Contact or something at that point, and wait for a clear entry on night vision. Okay, this red candle just before the NFP announcement. This is your 7 a.m. Hourly candle Eastern Time. Look down here. You see that the heavy green has broken free for the first time out of the thicket. Okay, and when you look down below, you see the same thing happen. That's a strong indication of a kind of reversal. And what happened on the NFP announcement, this candle ran to about 50 pips there from high to low. Now over here on this blue candle here, you can see looking down that the heavy green night vision plots broke free of the thicket, and it started kind of a downtrend in the last 2 hours of the trading day. And remember, you want both of these to be free at the same time. So like with, oh, okay, I'm going to have to scroll across to, no, yeah, I have to scroll across to show you. Alright, now I'm scrolling, everything's still in view, and you can see right here, on this red candle here, and you look down, you see that the night vision broke free, both of them at the same time. And you can see you got a little gain here, and what that gain amounts to is probably about a 10-pip gain from the close of the red to the high of the blue. Let's get one more, a bigger one to show you. Okay, scrolling back, right here you can see they both broke free at the same time. You can see them down there, right? Okay, and that's on this candle right here, and that indicated that it was going to go down more. And then the next candle, that from top to bottom is 42, almost 43 pips. So that's how night vision works, and that's what we're going to be using sometime. Oh, you couldn't actually see that. I'm sorry. Let me pull the screen down. I didn't realize you couldn't actually see what was going on. From this candle and is where we had the signal there, and then this one you would have been going down. You would have shorted that. Okay, I'm Dennis, KingMakerForex.com, and I'm going to leave it at that. Thank you.